like and subscribe.
Let's make donut.
Let's make donuts.
Okay, is we put 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay.
I want to open it.
Okay, open. You get the other egg.
The second.
Very good. Cup milk. It's warm. Okay.
Daddy's milk.
Yes. Then let's put butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put butter. Yes, put this inside. Very good. Okay. Then give Daddy the sugar. Okay. Put this inside. Let's put this inside. Very good. Okay. Pour. Okay. Very mix together. Mix together. Until it's blended. It's still warm. Very good. And we put the flour slowly. Slowly put the flour. Very good. Only. Then mix again. Later, we add it later. Twisting donut. Okay. Mix well. Mix well. And that's the rolling pin. We'll use that later. Okay.
I'm going to make donuts.
Yum. What flavor would you like?
Donut.
Chocolate? Strawberry?
Donut.
Yes, it's a donut.
I want donuts.
I want. Then we put the salt. Now doughy. Okay, it's doughy. Good, very good.
I'm a baby.
Yes. Who's my baby?
Marvin.
Very good. What are we making?
Donut.
Donut. Yummy donut?
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, what you doing?
And making donut.
What's that?
That's a rolling pin. We add more.
Look.
After it's doughy, let's cover this for 15 minutes so it rises up. Rolling mat, silicone. Thank you. And we need to put flour so it won't stick. Okay. Spread the flour. It double the size. And we need to flour our hands. Okay, flour your hands. Okay, rub them together. Then we need to knead. Knead it. Yeah. We need this so we can roll them to 1 cm thick dough. Okay. After kneading,
Daddy.
yeah, we're kneading the flour so we can make donut. Okay, enough. Okay, very good. Okay. Put flour on the rolling pin so it won't stick. Okay, roll. Very good. Wow. Good. Very natural. Okay. You put a circle. You go. Press strong. Very good. Then we got a donut. Transfer. One. Another one. Frying time! Put that in the middle. Very good. Okay. Wait for it to go a minute, then you can flip it over. Well, make sure it's golden brown, then flip it. Make sure it's golden brown like this. You can scoop it up using this or any chopstick if you have any chopstick at home. Okay, you can scoop this. And another one. After cool down 10 to 15 minutes in the refrigerator. So what we need is Choco Rice Krispies. Okay. Okay, dip it in the Choco Rice Krispies. What we have here is a bite-sized donut. Come on, you can do it. Okay, very good. You taste. Yummy? Yeah, yummy. Congratulations, you made a yummy donut. Daddy will dip the donut. Very good. Decorate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, you can eat chocolate. Yeah, that's chocolate. You can eat that. Wow! Yummy? Yeah. Wow! Okay, put more. The more, the yummier. Anyone wants chocolate? Anyone? Anyone wants chocolate? Yeah. You hold? Oh, hold no. You hold. Wow! Yummy? Yeah. That's how you make donuts with a toddler. Is the donut yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.